Look at this lady. She is old, good-looking, of average height. Her hair is gray. She is friendly and energetic. Who is she? She is the Queen of the United Kingdom. There are many words that describe appearance and personality. Let's have a look at some of them. Age: old, young, middle-aged. Looks: beautiful, ugly, handsome. Handsome can only be used to describe men. Height: tall, short, of average height. Weight: thin, plump, overweight. Hair: dark, curly, bald. Eyes: green, big, dark. Personality: talkative, humorous, friendly. Interests: photography, traveling, music. Now we know how to describe people. Let's compare them. To describe something, we use adjectives and adverbs. We can compare them by using comparisons. Each adjective and adverb has two forms of comparison. They are called comparative and superlative. Let's look at how the forms of comparisons are formed. 1. If the word has one or two syllables, we add to the adjective or adverb suffix er to form the comparative and suffix est to form the superlative. 2. With words which have three or more syllables, the comparative is formed by using more before the adjective or adverb, and the superlative is formed by using the most before the adjective or adverb. 3. There are also some irregular adjectives and adverbs. Oh, what a beautiful picture!
Thank you. They are my cousins.
Really? Tell me about them.
Well, can you see the girl? She is the shortest of them all, but her hair is the longest.
The one in the pink jeans?
Yes, her name is Lucy. Another girl with curly hair is Kate. She is wearing a red dress.
And the boys?
Well, the tallest boy in the middle is Mark. Simon is a bit shorter than Mark. He is wearing brown jeans.
And who's the shortest boy in the blue t-shirt?
That's Matthew.
Wow, your family is great.
Thank you.
Sometimes, to be more precise, we need to use not only comparisons, but also adverbs of degree. Let's have a look. There is another way of describing something by using the idioms. 1. To speak one's mind. Express a personal opinion. 2. To be a pain in the neck. If a person disturbs you. 3. To get on someone's nerves. To irritate someone. 4. To drive someone crazy. To distract someone a lot. 5. To hold one's tongue. To be quiet. 6. To break the ice. To start a conversation, avoiding confusion. There's one more way of describing people, by saying if they are related to you. 1. Acquaintance. I don't know him very well, he's just my acquaintance. 2. Classmate. We are in the same class. He's my classmate. 3. Uncle. He's my mother's brother. He's my uncle. 4. Neighbor. He lives next door. We are neighbors. 5. Stepfather. He's my mother's husband. He's my stepfather. 6. Niece. My sister's daughter is my niece. Now let's have some practice.